this video, I will show you how to use Display Technologies' new Optimal Screen Size Calculator. First navigate to our website create.displaytechnologies.co.uk. Then select Design Assistant. Then select Optimal Screen Size Calculator. Inside the tool, you will see that you can specify the viewing distance, aspect ratio, and then receive some data that tells you everything you need to know about your optimal screen size. There are no dimensions required in the calculator. For example, if I wanted to use meters, I would simply type 4.34. If I wanted to use inches, I might put in 128. The data provided will all be relative to that entry. In this example, we'll use meters, a 5 meter viewing distance from a 1.78 aspect screen. And here you can see that the calculator has suggested a viewable width of 3.76 meters, 2.11 meters in height, and a horizontal viewing angle of 41.21 degrees. It really is as simple as that. If you want to download these results to a PDF, enter your name and email address, let us know if you would like to subscribe to our mail list, and then hit Generate PDF. Fast, accurate, free. Display Technologies Screen Size Calculator.